So you've tried adjusting the thermostat several times, but your house still doesn't feel right. Your bedroom is too cold, your guest room feels too hot, and the air feels dry or heavy. Here's why your house never feels comfortable. Comfort is more than just temperature. Most people assume comfort is just a number on the wall. The higher or lower that number, the higher the comfort level. But in reality, it's not. True comfort is a balance of airflow, insulation, humidity, and even distribution of air throughout the house. If any one of those is off, the thermostat can't fix it. That's probably why your neighbor's house feels so much more comfortable than yours, even though both homes are set to the same temperature. Airflow matters more than you think. Your furnace might be producing warm air efficiently, but that doesn't mean it's reaching every room evenly. Blocked vents, leaky ducts, or poorly designed ductwork can leave some rooms underconditioned while others get too much air.
I might extend that plenum just a little bit to give it better airflow. Or
That's likely why one room feels perfectly warm while another feels like it opens straight to the North Pole. Humidity. Humidity plays a key role in comfort. Air that's too dry makes a warm house feel colder and more uncomfortable. Conversely, air that's too humid makes a cool house feel heavy and sticky. Your thermostat doesn't measure how the air feels on your skin, it only measures the temperature. So constantly adjusting your thermostat won't make a difference here if humidity is the problem. Insulation and air leaks. If your house has uneven insulation or air leaks, then it is constantly losing conditioned air. Cold breezes during winter and hot spots in summer. Think of it like gas slowly leaking from your car. No matter how carefully you drive, your mileage won't improve. In the same way, poor insulation and air leaks force your system to work harder without making your home more comfortable. To sum it up, raising or lowering the temperature won't magically improve the comfort in your house. For optimal comfort, you need to maintain balanced airflow, proper duct design, correct system size, controlled humidity, and properly insulated spaces. Is your home comfortable? Comment below.